Presenting Fire-Boltt Beast Smartwatch. The Fire-Boltt Beast Smartwatch comes in 3 color variants of blue, black and pink. This Fire-Boltt Smartwatch flaunts a high-definition full touchscreen display that has a peak brightness of 500 nits. You will also get unlimited customized built-in watch faces and multiple watch faces through the app as well. The watch features a unique rotating button and quick access menu for ease of navigation and user experience. This smartwatch comes with a display size of 1.69 inches. The smartwatch has a full aluminium body that enhances its durability. It is also IP67 waterproof rated. This smartwatch comes with a built-in lithium-ion battery that offers up to 8 days of usage and 360 hours of standby. The Beast smartwatch connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Fire-Boltt Beast smartwatch comes with real-time 24/7 SpO2 blood oxygen tracking, dynamic heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking features. You can also record and keep a watch on your breathing activity with an in-watch breathe exercise option. You can control your smartphone's camera and music through your smartwatch. The Fire-Boltt Beast brings multiple sports modes like walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball and football. It also counts steps, distance and calories burnt. The smartwatch also has an inbuilt social media notifications feature. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.